XRP is about to have one of the biggest price changes in its recent history, and it will happen right after one of the market's record-breaking days. If you've been paying close attention, you know that crypto is moving very quickly right now, and XRP is getting ready for a big jump after a day when the market hit new highs, set new records. XRP is riding a wave of optimism and momentum, but what's causing this surge? Why do experts say that XRP is about to take off like never before? This isn't just another change in an unstable market. It could be the start of a huge price move that will change the game for people who own XRP and investors. What does this record-breaking day mean? What does the future hold for XRP? And how can you best prepare to benefit from what's to come? Over the past few months, XRP has steadily gained attention for its unique role in the financial ecosystem. XRP isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a solution to real-world problems and global payments, and major financial institutions have already started using Ripple as a quick and cheap way to do cross-border transactions. As more banks and payment providers use Ripple's technology, the demand for XRP has grown, and the currency's market performance has steadily gotten better. But what happened on that record-breaking day? It wasn't just normal market movements. A number of things came together to make the XRP as one of the cryptocurrencies that will benefit the most from this. Analysts and buyers alike now see XRP as one of the most exciting assets on the market, and for good reason. When the market broke records, XRP was one of the best performing digital currencies, even though many others saw big gains. XRP has been doing very well lately. Interesting. This sudden increase in positive sentiment is likely to last, as XRP has all the elements for a big price jump. Institutional interest in XRP is growing quickly. Big banks and other institutions are paying more attention to XRP and the technology behind it. Ripple, the financial world, is slowly but surely understanding that XRP can help with. As more businesses use Ripple's technology, some of the worst things about standard finance will go away, like transaction times that are too long and fees that are too high. As more people and institutions become interested in XRP, its value is likely to rise. The market is becoming more optimistic after a record-breaking day in the crypto market. Wasn't just one big event. It showed how the world of digital goods was changing in a bigger way. Investors are more optimistic than ever about the future of cryptocurrencies, and XRP is in a great situation to take advantage of this. The strong market conditions and real-world use case for XRP made it possible for its price to skyrocket. The price of XRP has been going up and down. XRP's price has been steadily going up, and now experts are saying it could reach new highs very soon. It's also supported by strong technical factors. If you look at its most recent price charts, you'll see a clear upward trend that's being backed up by strong buying volume. This technical momentum, along with the good news about the token, points to an imminent price rise. Since the market is still very volatile, XRP is likely to get even more attention, which will drive up its price. The market's record-breaking day wasn't a fluke. It's just the start of a bigger movement, and XRP is right in the middle of it. So get ready for a huge price jump for XRP. Now is the time to pay attention. The current state of the market and why XRP is so well positioned to benefit from the recent record-breaking market day. The cryptocurrency market has grown a lot over the past few years, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the way. However, XRP has quietly made a name for itself as a leader in cross-border payments. Unlike other coins, XRP's value is directly linked to how useful it is. Several other cryptocurrencies, it's not just a risky investment, it has a clear use case in real-world financial systems. This is one reason why XRP has been so stable, and why financial institutions and big investors are still interested in it. The fact that XRP can be used as a bridge currency for cross-border trades makes it very appealing to banks. With Ripple.net, the technology behind XRP, banks can send money across borders almost instantly, without the high fees and long wait times that come with traditional methods. This is an important reason why XRP is going to soar after today's record-breaking day, as financial systems continue to change and more institutions join the network. Look for ways to send money internationally that are faster and cheaper. XRP is about to become an important part of the financial system, but it's not just the growing use of Ripple.net that makes it a good candidate for a price. The rising popularity of XRP among large investors is also a major factor in how its price will change in the future. As big players like hedge funds, banks, and investment firms become more interested in XRP, the demand for the token will continue to rise. This is because institutional investors, with deep pockets and long-term views, are looking for assets that are stable and useful in the real world. XRP has both of these qualities, making it a good choice for institutional portfolios. Conditions and the fact that big financial players have started to use XRP are perfect for a price increase. When we look at what caused the market to break records, it's clear that the momentum isn't just limited to a few coins. As people feel more hopeful, XRP is riding the wave. Its strong market position means it stands to win more than most other cryptocurrencies. There were several things that led to the current market rally: a greater desire for digital goods. There is good news about changes to regulations and more faith in the future of blockchain technology. Because XRP is one of a kind in the world of payments, it gets a lot of attention, and as the world moves toward digital solutions, the value of XRP is likely to rise. Another important reason is that Ripple Labs, the company that made XRP, is still working to solve its legal problems. Even though the ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has caused some uncertainty, it hasn't stopped XRP from becoming popular around the world. In fact, many people think that once the legal problems are resolved, XRP's value could go up even more. Ripple's legal fights are probably almost over. The market is getting ready for what could be a big jump in the price of XRP. If the SEC case is settled, there will be a lot less uncertainty, which will help XRP gain even more support from institutions. With all of these things at play, the market is in a good place. As more institutions start to use XRP, desire for it as a real-world answer, and the chance of legal clarity, if the record-setting market day is any indication, XRP is set for a big rise. The crypto market is in for a strong run, and XRP is in a great situation to lead the charge. It's clear that XRP has a lot of room to grow, no matter how experienced an investor you are, or how new you are to the market. Watch what happens in the next few days, because this price increase could be the start of something bigger. Now that we've talked about why XRP is in a good place after the market day that broke all records, let's talk about why experts think this price increase